Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn the poem On the Words Stage, written by William Shakespeare, who described here in this poem the cycle of life. Means here he compared the words to a stage where we the people are the players on that stage. On that means we are human life is enacted in this drama. In this drama. मतलब all the words stage. In Marathi we are saying that जग ही एक जग हे रंगमंच आणि आपण त्यामधले कलाकार अंडरस्टूड त्यावरील कलाकार म्हणजेच आपण आपली भूमिका निभावतो अँड दॅट इन दॅट poet describes here the 7 ages of human life. Yesterday we have seen the third and fourth age of life. Means third age which is related to adulthood means lover, and the fourth age which is related to aggressive soldier. Aggressive soldier which is related to adulthood. Okay, which is related to adulthood. Now the fifth stage, in this fifth stage what the poet says, see here now. Let us see. Even in the cannon's mouth, and then the justice, in fear round valley, with good capon line. See, even in the cannon's mouth. Cannon's mouth. Meaning of cannon's mouth is facing great danger to life. Means, of course, it is the means when we are facing the great danger of life, it is this age of human life. Of course, it is described the middle age of life. Middle age of life. Okay, means related to 45 years to 60 years. Means age of 45 to 60 years. Okay, means in this age, poet says that here the fifth age in that of a middle age person who have the round belly. See, poet says, and then the justice in fair round belly. Means poet says that middle age man or person with a round belly. Means fair round belly. Understood? Means that middle age we can imagine that who have the means that big belly. Understood? In front means he is very means mature person. He is very mature person, and when you are imagining that mature person, then we can imagine that with a round belly. Okay, he is means that, see what the poet says, with a good capon line. With a good capon line means see, with excess fat from careless eating habits. And that time means he was mature person, he was settled in his life, and that's why he was very careless. He become very careless in this age. Means man become very careless, and that's why excess with a fat. With a good capon line means he excess his fat, and that fat we can see from his fair round belly. Okay, and that it's happened because of his careless eating habits. It's happened because of his careless eating habits. Okay, when eye is severe and beard of formal cut. When eye is severe means he is formal, means that man's we can imagine that middle age we can imagine this person is very formal, this man is very formal, who is full of wisdom. Who is full of wisdom means his eyes, that severe eyes tells us that man is means he shows that he was full of wisdom. Okay, and he is keen on his justice. He is keen related to justice. Okay, he is keen on justice. Then next, see, full of wise saws and modern instances, means he is full of wise, he is full of wisdom, and which is showing his keen of justice, means that modern instances. Okay, so he plays his parts, and like this way he play, means he is that age. Understood? Middle age means that part of the age. Cycle of the life part is middle age. He play this part with a very careless person. Understood? Means this person is very careless, and who tells, means who shows his like a full of wisdom, means he shows that he is like a full of wisdom person. Okay. Then next stage of life, means stage of life. The sixth age shifts into the lean slipper pantaloon with spectacles on nose and pouch on sides. We see sixth age of life, which is very, means that man has become old now. Understood? It is old age. Okay, old age means which age means 65 years to 75 to 80 years age. Okay, means that time he become, that man in the sixth stage, man has become old. Into lean and slipper pantaloon. He was very lean. Means lean means very thin. Understood? In slippers and loose pants. In his thin legs there is a slippers, and he pantaloon means a loose pant. He wear the loose pant with spectacles on nose and pouch on side. And there was, means because he was old, and that's why there was he has spectacles on his nose and a pouch by his side. And there was a pouch by his side, means the close fitting stocking which he had saved from his younger days. Okay, means his youthful hose, well saved a word too wide. His youthful hose, see, means clothes fitting covering for legs. Means which he saved from his young age. Understood? Now it is looking like a very means which is close fitting in his youth age, and now it will become very loose. Okay, he saved that very well. Means these clothes he saved very well, and now it was too big, that youthful hose. Now it's with his leg which is very big, to his thin leg. मतलब जो भी उसने कपड़े सेव करके रखे हैं उसके यंग एज से, वो अभी उसको बहुत ही लूज़ हो रहे हैं, जो और उसकी जो लेग्स है अभी ओल्ड एज की वजह से वो बहुत ही थीन है, और वो जो यूथ एज के जो क्लोथ है उसका भी बहुत ही लूज हो रहे हैं. ओके, विच हाउस सी well said, a word too wide for his shrunk sank and his big manly voice. For his shank means legs. Okay, knee to the ankle, from knee to ankle, and his big manly voice means his voice is now, he is making a loud voice now. He is making a loud voice which was once means very when he was in the middle age, that house means that voice is very soft, and has now become childish and shrill. Means now this voice become again related to small children. And when he is making a sound, that time it is like a whistling sounds. It is like a whistling sounds when he talk. When he talk. Okay. Okay, tomorrow we will continue the next part of the poem. Last age of the poem. Okay. Thank you.